I'm Patrick Bailey with whiteboardcoder.com. Today is August 21st, 2021, and in this video I'm going to be doing a clean install of Windows 10 Pro on a brand new unformatted Samsung 90 Pro NVMe drive on a brand new 2021 Asus A17 Tough laptop. Okay, so I got my computer turned off. I got my USB Windows installed in, so I'm going to go plug that in right now. And another thing I'm going to do to make my life a little easier is, since it's going to need the internet and I don't want to fiddle with the Wi-Fi, I'm just going to put a landline in. So I'm just going to plug in the Ethernet directly to it just to make my life a little simpler as I run through this install process. Now, another thing that you don't have to do if you have a fresh drive, you can just start your computer and do the install. But if it happened to be formatted or something like that, what you want to do is you want to go into BIOS and make sure that you're going to the right disk to install. So I'm going to press F2 on this Asus drive, hold that down and start it so I can get to the BIOS. Only reason I'm doing that is because if you're unfamiliar in your computer system, you can have different boot disks. You have different disks. It doesn't know which one's the primary to boot off of. So here I can see exactly what I expect. I see this UEFI Windows 10 PMAP partition. That's my USB drive. So perfect. That's the boot priority to start on that one. If you saw other ones in here and that was not at the top, just drag that one to the top and hit save and exit. So I look good in this case. I'm going to hit save and exit. Hit OK. And we'll go through our install process. Okay, so Windows setup 64-bit. I'll choose that one. Okay, hit next. Hit install now. Accept the license. Hit next. I like to do the custom install. There's my drive. It all looks good. So I'll just hit next and let her go.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to.
Okay, now I have Cortana. You can actually go down here and basically mute her, because I don't like Cortana myself. It'll go through this little spiel, and then we'll go to the next step. So she's off right now. We'll see what happens. Stay in. Okay. Okay, so I'll choose United States for myself. US, hit yes. Skip, I don't want to add an extra keyboard layout. Now here's where it connects to your network, so if you're not plugged in, you may have to do a direct plug-in. Okay, so here you may have to have an account. I do have an account with Windows, with Microsoft, so I'm going to go log into it right now. Hit next, put my password in. Hit next. Okay, create a pin. Include letters and symbols. Okay, so I'll just make up a pin here, which I'm going to change later on. But just to get things going. Okay, I'll just hit OK for now. Okay, let's turn all these off. I don't want to do inking and typing and advertising and all that stuff. I'm just going to mark everything off. Just want a clean, nice install with nothing special. Okay, accept. Okay, I'm going to skip this. I don't want any of this right now. Hit no. Remind me later. Hit next. Let's see, no thanks. We're getting there slowly. Not now. We're almost done, all right. Slowly but surely getting there. Hi, all right. We're getting somewhere. Okay, we're running. So first thing I like to do is there's still a few more things we're going to do to make sure we're okay. Search for update, click on check for updates, and let's see, check for updates. So I want to download everything, probably reboot it a couple of times. There we go, a bunch of stuff. Let's see. Install updates as soon as possible. Oh, we got to download. Oh, we're downloading. There we go. Duh. See, 42%, 100%. Yeah, let it all download, and then restart. And then after we restart, probably want to go run this again. Usually it works the first time, but sometimes you may have to do multiple updates. Okay, now they're all marked pending restart, so hit restart now. And then see where we're at. Search for update again, check for system updates. Okay, retry here. And there's some more stuff to download. So I'm just going to keep doing this. Your mileage may vary, but I'm going to keep doing this, rebooting every single time, checking for updates until finally I get to the point where there are no more updates. Okay, check for updates. We might be done now. Oh, there's a Windows 10 version 20H2, so I'll click download and install. And we'll see how long that one takes. Okay, so I installed Windows 10 Pro. It should be, but if I go here, about your PC, if we go down here, we will see that we have Windows 10 Home. So we need to get that fixed. So we're going to go change the product key or upgrade your edition of Windows. Click on that. And let's see, change the product key. And I have the product key that came with my Windows install, so I'm going to go enter that right now. Okay, then hit next. Hopefully I enter that correctly. There we go, hit start. And let it upgrade from Windows 10 Home to Windows 10 Pro. Oh, we had an issue. Something interrupted our troubleshooting. Make sure you connect to the internet. Wait a few minutes and try again. Okay, let me close that and see if I can get this resolved. Okay, I think one of the reasons it might not be working is because I have it associated with my account, and my account happens to have a Windows 10 Home Edition already pre-validated. I don't want to go fight with my account. In fact, I'd rather not log in with my account. So I'm going to go try to undo that and see if that's going to fix me. So go down here, search for settings, click on that, go into account privacy settings. Let's see, manage your account. We'll click on manage my account. And I want to sign with a local account instead. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to skip this step because I'm brand new. I don't need to back anything up. And I'll hit the wrong button. Try it again. Skip, next, and I guess enter my PIN. Okay, now we enter username. Good, okay. Okay, hit next. Sign out and finish. There we go. Cool, because I wanted a local account anyway. I was going to do that anyway. But now we're good. Click on sign in options. We'll say key. Good, should be a local account. I think that's going to fix us. Okay, so I'm going to go search for about your PC. Let's see if we can do this again. So here we have Windows Home Edition, and I want to change the product key. Click on that. And I will change the product key now, and let's go enter it in again and see if this time it works. I have a feeling that's because, I think I'm right. I think I had it associated with my account. There's probably a way to do it, but I don't want my account anyway. Okay, now hit next. Oh, it still doesn't like it. Okay, well, I guess the next thing to do is go call tech support and see if they can get a new thing for me. Ugh, fun, fun, fun. Okay, I wish I had recorded part of this. I went through a lot of things trying to figure out how to do this because it kept airing out on me. It kept rejecting my key like I had to do something new. Now, it did look before like it had Windows 10 Home activated, which I never activated. So I just kind of, in frustration, I rebooted the box. When I rebooted the box and went back to About, I did have Windows 10. I went to About, went to the activation thing. It had Windows 10 Home, but it said there was an error activated. It had a big red thing here. I don't know if I want to see if I can find a copy of it where I was filming, maybe. But basically, big red notes, bad, bad, bad. And this time I went through, said, okay, fine, let me change my product key, click on change product key, put in the key, activated. That time it activated just fine. So I don't know, very strange. But in this case, all it really took was a reboot, go to About, go to the activation, put in the key, and it worked just fine. But just to cover my bases here, I'm going to close this out. It looks like we're okay. I'm going to do one more reboot and make sure it comes up with Windows 10 Pro. And then I'm going to call success on this. Come back in, we go search for About. Boom. Let's see. Windows 10 Pro. Okay, we're good. Looks like we're good. Looks like we're licensed. I'll say change product key just again. And we can see it's activated. So I think we're good. We're good. Now onto a little bit of commentary. Now, so I've successfully installed Windows 10 Pro, updated everything like I need to, on a brand new box with a brand new Samsung 90 Pro NVMe. Now from here, the reason I really did that is I like to do, when I get a new box, do a clean, fresh install. I don't want all the default stuff because some of these companies give you a bunch of garbage you don't want, so I like to start fresh. Now this is, where I'm at right now is too fresh. There's a lot of products and applications that are specific to Asus that I need to install, like things that control my lights on my keyboards and things like that. So I'll be doing another video kind of going over some other installations in detail on that. So if you have an Asus A17 Tough like I am, you can go check out that video. When I make it, I'll put a link or something.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a like. To subscribe, just click the subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on Twitter under the handle @whiteboardcoder.com. View any code I may have thrown up as a gist at GitHub under the username PatmanDenver, or check out my blog site at whiteboardcoder.com.